not sure if you can see that properly. Let me go ahead and reduce the size of it. Let's do width equals 300. Save, go over here, and we want to hit F5 to refresh. Okay, this looks much better. So here you can see clearly the title of the table. You can see the space in cell space in 5, border 5, and cell pad in 5. Alrighty, let's go back to our code. Now let's add some let's add a few different table datas, and to do so we're going to scroll down here below our table row, because we're going to add another row of data. Going to do tr, do another td, close our td, close our tr. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here, since our title is like that, I'll simply create a rectangular title and then a nice square here with the rest of the data. So what I'm going to do is go back up here and insert another TD attribute, which will be colspan equals 2, because I'm gonna create 2 table datas. Alright, and let's do width equals 150, width equals 150. Alright, and within this we're going to have hello world, welcome. Alright, let's save this, see what it looks like. There we have it. Hello world, welcome. Now as you can see, the first table data is quite huge versus this, so let's squeeze this up a bit. And the way we do that is to go back to our code, search for the first table data that we placed our title in, and for the another attribute we're going to add height equals, let's do 50. Save that. There we go. And we can also change the background color for each table. Let's go ahead and do that. Going to do a BG color for the first table data and the second row. So we're going to do BG color equals yellow. Save that. Refresh. There we have it. Now let's say we wanted to enter an image over here. Well, first we'd have to find an image. So let's go to Google for a second and get an image. Let's do books. So the first thing you want to do is to get the URL for the image that you're trying to input. Okay. Location. Copy. Alright, let's get back to our page. And we would go to this table data, the second table data in the second row, which is right here. And here we're gonna replace this with an image tag, img, and the attribute is source, src, and the value for this tag will be the URL for the image. It's to JPG. Okay. We're gonna do width equals, make this a bit smaller so it doesn't mess up our table, and height equals, let's do 250. Okay, or better yet 200. Save, go back over here. There we go. Okay, now let's say you wanted to add a link to your text or image. To do that, you'll need to implement the A tag, which stands for anchor. Let's go ahead and implement that to our image there. And we're going to do the A tag, href, for our attribute, and for the value, again, your URL. So let's paste the same URL, and what this is going to do is when you click on the image, it's going to bring up that same image. However, it's going to bring that up in a page by itself, and that'll show the full size of the image. And you want to close your anchor tag after the image. Let's go ahead and save that and refresh. Okay, and notice here you see a border that appears on the image once we've linked it. To get rid of that border, simply go to your image tag and add another attribute called border, and you want to equal that to 0 because you don't want any border on your image. There we go. Border's gone, link is there, click on it, image pops up full size. Alright, that concludes our tutorial for HTML tags, elements, attributes, and values. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you later.